Yes, birthday, and now please welcome Mommy and Daddy together, birthday girl. Let's give a round of applause. Ay! Parang wala na over. Let's go! Once again, it's a jolly evening, teacher and everyone. Welcome to Jollibee Tourist Club as we celebrate
Alia's birthday!
By the way, I'm your party host, Ate Melay, together with my friend Kuya Rex, and welcome to Fantastic Factory! Isang malakas na palakpakan naman dyan!
Alright, so thank you so much, Ate Melay. And this time, we would like to invite our birthday celebrants stand up. Together with Mommy and Daddy, and of course, kids and kids that stand up, please. Because we will have an opening prayer.
To be led by Ma'am Banji.
Ma'am Banji.
Everybody stand up, come on.
Ito po natin ang ating mga ulo at tayo manalangin. Ama namin, kami po'y nagpupuri at tumalakita sa iyo. Lord, sa oras na ito kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa karawan ni Aliyah. Sa dalangin po namin na patuloy mo siyang ingatan at lumaking mapagmahal sa magulang at mabait sa kanyang mga kapubata. Lord, salamat po sa panibagong buhay. Kayo na po ang bahala sa aking pamangkin. Ibinabalik ko ang lahat ng pagpupuri at papasalamat sa pangalan ng iyong bugtong na anak na si Jesus. Amen.
Alright, so thank you so much, Ma'am Banji. Okay, so this time remain standing. Everybody stand up.
Everybody stand up.
Stand up, stand up, stand up. Since we are celebrating Princess' birthday, so we will have our first activity. And for our first activity, all you need to do is to put your hands up, everybody.
Everybody.
Put your hands up and shake, 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 shake. In Jollibee way, that's what they call the Jolly Finger Spirit. Why we need to do that, Ate Melay?
Of course, to boost our energy today to make Aliyah's birthday happier.
Yes, and this time we have 4 easy steps for our first step. So, Mommy and Daddy, please come forward together with our birthday girl, Aliyah.
Come on, Aliyah.
Okay, so this time, show me how to hold your burgers.
Come on, Mommy and Daddy. Paano niyo po ba hawakan yung burger niyo?
Wow, yum burger, yum, which is double yum burger. Very good. How about kids and kids that are showing me how to hold your burgers? Everybody show me. Everybody show me how to hold your burgers. Everybody show me. Ay, very good yung kay Sir Ate Nailay. Oh, ayan. Tawag dyan, Sir, Angel's Burger. Alright, so this time, kids and kids that are like holding your burgers, all you need to do is to flip it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Very good. And for our second step,
All you need to do is to put your hands on your armpit. So everybody put your hands on your armpit and then flap it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And for our third step, everybody put your hands on your waist and then shake it 4 times. Ready?
And 1, 2, 3, 4.
And for our last step, since we're celebrating Aliyah's birthday, all we need to do is to clap your hands to the 4 times from down to up. Ready? And
1, 2, 3, 4. All you gotta do is let's do the recap. Everybody hands up and shake, shake, shake. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Very
lahat talaga
good.
nagpa-participate, Kuya Rex.
Yes. Alright, so this time get ready, kids and kids. At ang kisate will choose best dancers for tonight. So get ready, everybody.